You have just 40 minutes left to help us fill the fridge. This fundraiser is unlike any other because we're asking for perishable foods instead of boxed and canned goods. 41 Action News reporter Alyssa Donovan spent the day at Price Chopper in Overland Park, where some people made very generous donations.
Harvesters has already collected about 50,000 pounds of food through the Fill the Fridge campaign. That doesn't even include what they're collecting today. You can see they're putting the perishable items in this freezer truck. These will go to the hungry people in our community. Volunteers made it easy for shoppers, handing out lists of most needed items.
People are bringing it out here to us, and we're going to put it in the truck so we can deliver it to people that don't have food.
This is a product that, our clients at our agencies don't get all the time.
Which is why Fill the Fridge is so special. 41 Action News spent the week partnering with Price Chopper to help harvesters collect perishable food items like fresh oranges, milk, and butter.
And these are the things that people ask for. They really want this.
Harvesters serves 26 counties, and nearly half the people they feed are children. The perishable food drive helps give these school-aged kids nutritious meals.
It's healthy food, and that's what we want people to be able to have.
And people were happy to help.
We're fortunate, and we can help any way we can, we do.
These two ladies each donated an entire cart of food.
It does my heart good to be able to give something like this when we know that they can't buy it themselves.
Along with food, people donated more than $30,000. A single dollar provides 3 meals to someone in need.
It makes me feel really good and happy because a lot of people in the world can't buy things like this, so it makes me really good that we can donate it to them.
The donations collected through Fill the Fridge will help serve hundreds of thousands of nutritious meals in our area, thanks to the generosity of this community. Reporting in Overland Park, Alyssa Donovan, 41 Action News.